Hey guys, today we are talking about Batman Earth 1, Volume 1, written by Jeff Johns and drawn by Gary Frank, if I'm mistaken not. This was one book that I bought from Flipkart, I guess, and I think I picked it up because its its softcover price was a lot more than what they were charging for the hardcover, and I thought it made a lot of mathematical sense to go for the hardcover. But anyways, I read this long back. In fact, I read it right away when I bought it, and I tried to reread it for this review. And I gotta say, I mean, my views were completely changed for this book. I remember enjoying this book a lot. I remember thinking that this was a great take on Batman's origin. But now that I've read it, I'm not even sure if I would recommend this to anyone. So, like I said, this is a take on Batman's origin, and it's a very novel or a modern sort of approach that Jeff Johns has adapted. And while it works beautifully for a certain character, in fact, that's Alfred, who you see on the cover, it just doesn't work for any other character in this book. It was irritating, and this page was really awesome. I thought the artwork was good for that. So like I was saying, the characterization for the other key players hasn't been done well enough, and Commissioner Gordon is just a big letdown. I hated his character in this book, and the only character that I hated more was that of his partner, who's this guy over here, and he's incredibly annoying. So the story of this book is basically Bruce Wayne trying to don this personality of the Batman to investigate the death of his parents. He feels that the real killers are still out there, and basically he suspects this rival candidate who was running for mayor against Thomas Wayne at the time, and Bruce thinks that he could have gotten them killed. So we follow Bruce Wayne, all of his amateurish detective pursuits, and there are clashes between Alfred and Bruce, but they should have been a lot more. I mean, especially with the book with that cover, we got to see more of Alfred and Bruce. And here's a fantastic page of those two least favorite characters of mine in this book going about doing their stupid things. Didn't like them at all. Um, right, and then the case again ties into some elements from Arkham. There's this page here that I'm trying to look for. It's one of my yes, there it is. This is one of my favorite pages of the whole book, and in fact, it is even in my top five Batman moments of all time. This is just superb. So for all the tension that this book builds up, it really fizzles out towards the end. You kind of want it to end on a high note, but it just doesn't. The artwork is ordinary, is nothing special. There are a few pages which are really well done, but apart from that, I really wasn't impressed. So that's my review of Batman Earth 1 Volume 1, and the review couldn't be coming out at a better time because Volume 2 is out. I'll try and read it and let you know my thoughts. Anyways, that's it for this time. Goodbye.